Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a head-to-head comparison review between these two trading platforms, which is Robinhood and Moomoo. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Robinhood remains one of the easiest platforms for beginners with commission-free stock, crypto, and option trading, plus a clean mobile-first design. It's fast, intuitive, and great for investors who just want to buy and sell without friction. Moomoo, on the other hand, leans into powerful tools, offering advanced charting, level 2 market data, and paper trading in-depth research, which make it more appealing to traders who want insight beyond the basic. That said, each has drawback. Robinhood is more often criticized for limited research tools, weaker chartings, and its past regulatory controversies. Meanwhile, Moomoo's interface can feel overwhelmed to casual investors, and its focus on trading futures, which may not suit those who prefer a simple passive investing approach. So in conclusion, Robinhood is still the best for beginners wanting the simplicity, while Moomoo is the stronger choice for traders who value data and analysis. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.